I know, Joseph, yeah. You see him?
That's not about 2, 3. I think that's for the
There's, look, there's squirrel. Look, he's going up the tree there.
I can follow it. I can't follow the tree.
Well, he can climb well, can't he?
Daddy, is that the tree?
Might be, yeah. All the tree, yeah. Or that hole there.
Maybe he's going to get some nuts for his baby.
Mm.
Jack can go over that. Did Jack come down and I can?
Jack, this way.
No, this way.
Follow the scout.
The cow.
Scout. Joseph is the scout.
No, he isn't.
You're the leader.
Follow the spark.
You're the boss. You're the captain, yeah?
You're the captain. Come on, come on.
Okay, don't go there then. Come on, up there, Jack. Careful. Help your brother.
Well, those slabs. That is chicken there. That's the slab. That is a snow. The snow hat. Daddy, you can get close here.
Okay, thank you. Oh, it is, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. So we're not going that way, we're going that way. There's another bridge down here, I think. Come on, quick. Soldier, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, look, there's a bee. First bee that we've seen this year. Look, I'm just sit there. Look, bumblebee.
The biggest bumblebee.
Yeah, it's early. Yeah, still only March. Right, don't go in the mud. This way, Jack. Not in the mud. That way.
Mud. That might be pink mud.
Not Joseph.
Oh no! Don't look at me there. Anna.
What?
It's a slow tree stop. Have two stop.
Yes.
Have two stop. Have two stop. Have two stop. Daddy, that's a little. Hi. That's a little bit.
Yes, it is.
No, no. That's so bad.
Careful. Help your brother. Yeah, maybe a rabbit or something. Yeah. Right, Joseph. Wait. You have to go up. Well, it's okay. I'll hold your hand.
Wow. Wow. Be careful. That's
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you can go here.
It's okay. I'll help you. Here, hold my hand. Go on. Help your brother, Joseph. Okay. You go first, Joseph. Don't walk side by side. Joseph, let go of him. What?
Stop
No, you can push past that. Go on. Go under, Jack.
Daddy, I want to help you to slide, Daddy.
Okay, come on.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, up we go. Okay, you go first, Joseph.
Look at it and the ground.
Yeah. Hey, no need to climb that, Joseph. You can go around it. Jack, look. This way. Go around. No, Jack. I'm not going to help you. You won't fall down it. Okay, you want to go under. Go under.
I'm a good back. Now, and the ground.
Oh, I can see another squirrel there in the woods. It's on the ground at the moment. Go on, straight ahead. Look, there's a squirrel on the floor there. See? Over there, look, on the floor. See? There's a squirrel on the floor. Can you see it? Oh, he's going now.
Sometimes. Because when we go down, I don't do everything. I can go here.